Hey guys, I wanted to just do a quick video. I'm here at the W Hotel in Dallas. This is the one down there on Victory, and I'm just checking in. I got upgraded to room 720, which is a marvelous suite. The thing that's kind of cool about this is we can have our choice of doors. We can use this door, or we can use that door. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the entertaining side of the room. Basically, you can see we've got a big living room area here, but we'll start on the guest bath. Pretty standard as far as the amenities go here. We've got a half bath over on this side. Everything you need for your guests if you're entertaining. Some towels there. Looks like you got a hairdryer down there as well, in case somebody needs some extra time in the restroom in the morning. You got separate shower, or separate bathrooms at least, so you got a little bit more room to spread out. Alright, continuing in here, we've got the living room area. Got some pretty intense wallpaper going on there. Nice sitting chair here. Looks like that should be pretty comfortable. Some eclectic tables there. Lots of curtains. Kind of cool looking. Big couch there, plenty of seating here. A coffee table. There's a big TV. It's going to come in handy tonight because it's a Super Bowl night, so probably have that thing on here in a few minutes. Let's see. You got a table for dining or doing some business, whatever you need to do over here. You can at least seat 4, but obviously you could drag another chair over. I'm sure they could send some up if you need some. Pretty cool views here. Let's see, right over here you can see the kind of iconic bridge that they have here in Dallas. It's pretty cool. Pretty flat out there, being that it's Texas. But check this out, right next door we've got the American Airlines Center, so pretty conveniently located if you're going to a game or something. And lots of parking and restaurants down here because we're kind of downtown. Alright, cruising back across here. I don't know, that must be air conditioner access or something there. Be cooler if it was a little trap door or something, but I don't think we have that luck today. Alright, here's the bedroom portion. We'll take a look at the bath facilities real quick. So there's that other door we saw from outside. We could have come in that door if we were so inclined. What's this? This looks like we've got a big closet in here. It's kind of hidden behind a mirror. Some, I guess some slippers up there, a couple pairs of slippers. Not a whole lot of closet space, but there's something. We got this little tiny safe. Looks like you could put a laptop in there, but it's not very deep, so it might get squished. We've got the ironing board iron and a hook there. Alright, over here we got a big shower. Not the biggest in the world, but should be all that we need. And you can see the mirror, sink. You got the little vanity mirror. It's kind of hard to pick out here, but it's right there. Towels. We've got at least one robe. I didn't see a second robe, but I would think that it must be around here somewhere. Yeah, if not, I'm sure you could ask for it. And we've got the facilities in here with the sliding door for privacy. Alright, coming back out here into the bedroom itself. We've got a little bit of a Texas theme going on with the giant bandana. Look at that. You're not in Texas if you don't have monster trucks and oil pumps, cowboys. So you know where we've arrived, but there's a little bit of the glitzy, glamorous side as well, I guess. Got some faux lizard skin or faux alligator skin headboard there. Complements the faux rattlesnake skin nicely here around the TV. That's pretty cool. Let's see what we got here. Standard issue goodies from W. Mini bar munchie box. Probably can't read any of that. It's all out of focus, I bet. Alright. Standard issue goodies. Some waters, that's nice. And we got, looks like we could make a cocktail for one. I don't know where the rest of the martini glasses are hiding, but we'll see. Alright, beers, little liquors, tequila, let's see, Grand Marnier, some Bombay Sapphire. So you got the beginnings of a party there. What do we got over here? Looks like we've got a highlighter and a couple of ads for yoga or something. Some drawers down here. Nothing exciting going on in there. There's the other side of that trapdoor. Alright, a little chase lounge. A little bit more seating here. Alright. Bling bling. Alright, cool. Nice view out there. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick look at the Marvelous Suite. It's 1,030 square feet. Certainly better than the basic room that I booked. Came with lots of nice amenities. As part of my upgrade here, I got $10 for appetizers, $75 food and beverage credit. Actually, I think it says food credit. They comp the valet parking. Free breakfast in the morning for 2, so pretty good all in all. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Dallas W Victory Hotel Marvelous Suite.